Hey there, Dr. Luke here, and let's go through a hip flexion base doing our pails and rails. We're going to need a chair, some yoga blocks, and some balance sticks as well for this one. So to set up in hip flexion, this is me going into hip flexion, my active range. We want to get into my passive range there. So I've put 4 yoga blocks on the chair here. I'm going to balance as I come up into these yoga blocks and then bringing myself into that hip flexion. We don't want too much extension or flexion in the spine. We want all the movement and the stretch to come from that hip joint. So position yourself in a position that you can balance and get a good deep stretch there. So I'm going to put the timer on for 2 minutes and let's start. So this is a 2-minute stretch. We're just breathing into it. Breathe in 4 seconds, breathe out 8 seconds. Diaphragmatic breathing here. And just try and get the best possible stretch that you can in hip flexion. Now, while we're here, let's go through our pails and rails. Our pails contraction is going to be pushing my foot down into the blocks, bringing my hip into extension there. And my rails contraction is going to be the opposite contraction, bringing my leg into flexion, bringing my thigh to my chest, but we're not going to be lifting off the blocks there. We're just trying to make my foot lighter on those blocks, and this is going to be an isometric contraction. So I'll count you in 2 minutes time. "30 seconds to go. "10 seconds, I'll count you in. We're going to be pushing down into the blocks for our pails contraction. 3, 2, 1, and contract. Pushing down into the blocks. Best effort here. Hard as we can. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and opposite contraction. We're going to be lifting our foot off the blocks, making it feel lighter. Keep going, keep going. Our thigh's going to come towards our chest. 3, 2, 1, and relax. This is a 45-second stretch here. So breathe in and out, trying to relax those muscles. Our nervous system will then allow us to get into a deeper stretch, be safe for our nervous system and our body to go in and stretch deeper into those tissues. Great, 5 seconds and our pails contraction. 3, 2, 1, pushing into the blocks. Best effort here, really push hard into the blocks there. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and opposite contraction, trying to lift our foot off the blocks, make it lighter. Keep going, keep going. Really push hard for this one. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and relax. And now we're going deeper into that stretch there. So try and find a deeper stretch in our hip flexion. Very good. Breathing in. 4 seconds. Breathe out. 8 seconds. Three, 2, 1, and slowly come out of this base. And we should feel that we've got a good stretch there in that hip flexion. So give that a go. That's our hip flexion base.